Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a leprechaun. So first for the top of the hat, we're going to curve this line down and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line up and then over towards the right. Moving underneath for the eyebrows now, we're going to draw in an oval on a diagonal. And then we're going to move across on the right and replicate that. Now moving directly down, we're going to draw in a circle for our left eye. And then we're going to do the same as we move over on the right. Now on the top of both eyes, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight. In the middle for the mouth, now we're going to draw in a curved line. And then for the cheeks, we're just going to draw in a sideways oval connecting those on the bottom of our eye. Now let's draw in the hairline underneath. So we're going to start over on the right, curving this line in towards our left eyebrow. And then we'll continue to extend this line up towards the bottom of our hat. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out. And then on the left, we're going to arch this line out again, ending this at roughly the same height. Let's close off the bottom of the face now, arching this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing as we come over on the right. Now let's draw on the beard. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. As we step further in, we're going to curve this line around and then up. In the middle now, we're going to draw in the letter V, curving that slightly at the point. And then now on both sides, we're just going to arch this line across, closing off our beard. Now on either side, let's draw in the ears. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then in the middle, we're just going to curve this line out. Closing off the hair on the right, we're going to arch this line down. We'll do the same thing over on the left. Now let's close off the rest of the hat. So starting beside our ear, we're going to arch this line around and then in. Now starting back on the left hand side, we're going to dip this line down in the center, curving this in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same as we come over on the right, just connecting that together. Let's draw on both sides of the hat now. So we're going to draw on a diagonal line that comes up on both sides, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, we're going to close this off with a nice big curved line. In the center now, we're going to draw in a square. And then moving around that on the outside, let's replicate that. We're going to draw on the strap now, so we're going to draw in a curved line on both sides, coming down towards the side of our hat. And then we're going to come underneath, replicating that over on the bottom. Let's draw on the jacket now, so coming down on both sides, we're going to curve this line out. And we're going to end that at roughly the same height. And then coming across, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line, ending that again at the same height. Closing this off on the bottom, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. For the pockets, we're going to draw in a straight line on the top. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a nice big arch line. Now from here, moving out, for the arm, we're going to curve this line up. And now from that point, we're just going to bring this diagonal line in towards the top. Now from here for the collar, we're going to bring this line out and then down. And then for the wrist, we're just going to again curve this line up towards the outside. For the hand, we're just going to draw in a small arch line. For the belt buckle in the center, we're going to draw in another small rectangle. And then moving around that, let's replicate that again. Now as we come up in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line across. And then from the bottom, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. From here, we're going to curve this line across towards our jacket. And then again, moving up for the belt buckle strap, we're just going to draw in 2 straight lines on the top and bottom on either side. Now as we come down for the legs, we're going to draw in a small curved line in the middle. Again, coming back up on the shirt, we're going to draw in the collar, curving this line down and then up. Now coming down for the legs, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes across on both sides. Coming out on the inside, we're going to draw another diagonal line coming in towards the middle. For the foot, we're going to arch this line down. We're going to bring this line in on a diagonal on the bottom. Let's draw in a small triangle at that point. And now let's connect the rest of the shoe by drawing in a curved line, bringing that over on the outside. Now from here in the corner, we're going to draw in another square. And then again, as we move over on the outside, let's replicate that. Now moving across, let's draw in a curved line, bringing that in towards our inside line. And then we'll move up again one more time and replicate that. And that is it. That's how you draw a leprechaun. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.